Abstract class and abstract method in C#. With the help of abstraction, we can achieve dynamic polymorphism, that is the same method name in different classes but the same signature. If a class is defined as abstract, then we can't create instance of that class. By the creation of the derived class object, where an abstract class is inherited from, we can call the methods of the abstract class. Why do we need an abstract class? With an abstract class, we can provide some kind of default functionality for all derived classes to extend from. It helps to provide default functionality in all the derived classes and also avoids code duplication. Abstract classes are also useful in case of modifications to the project. If you plan on updating the base class in your project, it is better to make the class abstract, because you can define a functionality in an abstract base class and automatically all the inheriting classes will have the same functionality without disturbing the hierarchy. An abstract class is a special kind of class that has no implementation. It can have both abstract as well as a non-abstract methods. We can also have an abstract class with only non-abstract methods. Abstract method. An abstract method is a method without a body. When a derived class inherits the abstract method from the abstract class, it must override the abstract method. The requirement is enforced at compile time and it is called dynamic polymorphism. An abstract method is declared by adding the abstract modifier to the method. Abstract method cannot be private. It is a kind of contract that forces all subclasses to implement it. Points to note: we cannot create an object of an abstract class, but we can create a reference of it. An inheritance between abstract to abstract class is possible. You don't need to implement abstract methods of the base class into a derived abstract class. We can implement it later in concrete classes. An abstract class can never be sealed or static. An abstract class can have abstract as well as non-abstract methods. The abstract keyword can be used with class, method, properties, indexes, and events. Abstract methods can only be declared inside an abstract class. An abstract member cannot be static or private. An abstract method cannot be marked virtual, because an abstract method is implicitly a virtual method. A concrete class cannot inherit from more than one abstract class. In other words, multiple inheritance is not possible. Without an abstract class, we cannot implement the template method pattern.